Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert between moles of a substance and mass of a substance. So in the last video, I discussed how to calculate molar mass. And in this video, we're going to use that molar mass as a conversion factor. So I've got my question set up here. I've been given that I've got 0.536 moles of water, and I want to know what's the mass of that. How much does that weigh? So I would strongly encourage you to set up all problems like this along this this format is what I'm going for. And I'm going to try and copy and paste and edit because I write really poorly on here. So bear with me as I try to type and get things in place. So I'm going to use the pen for this and for my fraction bar. So I have moles essentially on top over here, and I need to cancel moles out. So I'm going to have moles on the bottom. Oh, I said I was going to type that. Okay, so here we go. Moles of water. Okay, now I think we've done unit conversion. Remember that in unit conversion, these fraction bars are all really just fancy ways of saying one, right? So as long as, as long as the things that we have on the top of the fraction equal the things that we have on the bottom of the fraction, that's a fancy way of multiplying by 1. So this fraction bar, 18.01 grams of water, is equal to 1 mole of water. We calculated that molar mass in the last video. So now I can cancel, since moles of water are on top and on bottom here, they cancel. My active unit is grams of water, and that's great because that's what I need, is grams of water. So I forgot to do my math ahead of time. Let me multiply it real quick. 0.536 times 18.01 is, let me copy this one again. So that tells me that my answer is going to be 9.65 grams of water. So again, let me contextualize that a bit. So in 0.536 moles of water, that's going to have a mass of 9.65 grams. That water is going to have a mass of 9.65 grams. So that's something we can measure in a lab. That's something that we can do something with. This question is going to be the opposite. So what I would do is I would pause at this point and do the two questions that look a lot like this, and then come back and resume the video when you're ready to do the next two. For the next two, I'm going to, it'll look really similar because I'm just doing the inverse of what I just did. So I've been given grams and I want to calculate moles. So I'm going to do my multiplication here, insert my fraction bar. This time I need grams on the bottom, and I'll put 1 mole of water on top. Again, this works because this is just a fancy way of multiplying by 1. 1 mole of water weighs 18.01 grams, so this conversion factor works. I can cross out my grams of water, and my active unit is correct again because I need moles of water, and that matches what I have here. So my answer is going to be 14.27 moles of water. So this is really similar to the unit conversion that we've done. It's called stoichiometry. Again, it's all about canceling things out. So if something's on top, it needs to be on bottom in the next conversion factor in order to cancel it out.